It is very essential to have My Church System app on your home screen for easy access to your church dashboard, for easy management and check-ins. And sometimes it is cumbersome to open a web browser anytime you want to access the platform. So let's have a look at how we can have My Church System app installed on our iOS device. So you open a web browser of your choice. I'm using Safari, and you type app.mychurchsystem.com. Once the page loads like this, you tap on the share button, you scroll down and you see add to home screen. You tap on add to home screen, and on this particular screen you can see add at the top right corner. You tap on the add, and there you have My Church System app installed on your iOS device.